A very warm good morning to all my students. Children, today in your English class, we will be doing the poem, "Oh Butterfly, Where Do You Go?" This poem has been written by Heather Scott. Yes, she is the poetess of the poem. Now children, when we are done with the poem, you have to color this picture on page number 77. That is the homework for you, okay? Now let me explain the poem to you kids. "Oh Butterfly" is a poem by Heather Scott. The poetess assumes the perspective of a child and asks where the butterfly goes at night. All through the day, the poetess sees the butterfly frolicking in the sun. But when night time comes, the butterfly is nowhere to be seen. The butterfly depends on the sun for warmth, so it can be seen most of the time when the sun is out. But at night, when the poetess is put to bed and the air becomes cold, the butterfly finds a spot where it can rest too. During summer, the butterfly can be seen for much longer because the days are longer. The poetess compares the softness of the butterfly's wing to that of butter when he sees them fluttering. However, when the moon shines, the poetess finds herself lonely without the soft feather beads on her windowsill. Despite the shining moon and the numerous bright stars, she misses the way it flutters from the sky to the ground during the day. Now let's recite the poem, kids. "Oh butterfly, where do you go? When the sunset itself does show. I see you quite frequently when the sun shines overhead, but where are you when I am put to bed? The days are long, the sun is strong, still then I see you flutter with wings as soft as butter. Yet when shines the moon, why am I alone? I hear not soft wings beating upon my windowsill, nor do I see your pupa upon the miller's mill. Where do you go at night when the stars are shining bright? In the daytime I see you flutter round and round from the sky to the ground. Oh butterfly, where do you go when the sunset itself does show?" Now children, you are already aware about the life cycle of a butterfly, so you must be knowing what is pupa. Pupa is the insect, an insect in the stage of development during which it is contained in a protective covering, right? Or you can say the baby stage of the butterfly, right? So here they are talking about. So children, this is all we need to do today. Now I would like to say thanks to you all, and don't forget to make a paper butterfly. All the steps are mentioned in the book itself. So you have to do two things. Number one, color the page 77, and then